Hey everybody, my name is Eric Bland. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and subscribing over the past year. It's been 9 months since I've tuned in to you guys, so hopefully I can do a little bit more tuning in to you guys throughout this next year here. But I wanted to show you around the office and how it might have changed from the last year, that 9 months that you guys have seen it. So it is the first, 2024. So we're super excited. So this is our state-of-the-art camera system that came in from a buddy of mine that does hotels and security systems for high-end, people and businesses and things like that. And he has an awesome product. And he said, hey, listen, if you want it in your office, it has smoke alarms, detectors, everything. It's pretty amazing. As you guys go around here, some odds and ends that I have up on my office walls there, which is kind of cool there. On this side, my general manager here is my brother. And he said he needed a window view. We used to have our office over in the conference room, which I'll show you here in just a second. But this is my brother here. He's my general manager. I love him. He's very smart at what he does and does very, very well here. So very honored to have him here. Jasmine's desk is right here. As you can see, this is our clock in and out here. This is their mailboxes here. Come around here. As you see, this is the entranceway. My pickup truck out there. It's my sign. Do not park there, or I will tow you. No, just kidding. Here, Christmas tree was here, but we took it down. Then we moved this around, so this is all back to normal here. So, and then as we walk this way, this is one bathroom. Let me swing in here. One bathroom, all brand new floors, all new LEDs, and here, kitchenette area. Another bathroom here for the employees as well. Here's our ping pong table, which we get a lot of use out of. A lot of use out of there. We have a kitchen area, obviously over there, but then we have a lunch area where they can sit and eat. We had Christmas, I think it was like, I can't remember what it was. It was something about Christmas. Well, anyways, they drew a name out of there, and that's why that bag's there. Some water over here. This is our sales areas. These are our two sales desks here for our sales employees. If we swing around here, this is our conference room, as you can see inside. And we'll swing in here. This used to be my office. We took the big board from the conference room, that was our office now, and moved it in here. And yeah, my brother was right. This is a nicer area for the conference room. Over here is my boys' office. We'll swing in here. This is my two boys' office. They have a nice office for themselves in here, which is really, really nice for them. They can come in anytime and have a place to be. Back here is our back bay. So it's quite crowded with a lot of stuff. But as you can see, so we got a lot of toys in here. Got a lot of my toys. I'll kind of show you from the back bay. Door is huge. I couldn't tell you how big that back bay is, but you can fit a truck and a half through there for sure. So all of our cleaning products and ladders and power washing stuff and air duct cleaning machines and my boat and my Jeep. And this is our blind here, or one of my blinds. I hunt now. This is my very first year. I bought 10 acres of property, and it's all wooded. And it's beautiful. We're going to be building a barndominium on it. But here's my John Deere that I bought this past year. It's a 4320. That's a bad boy machine right there. This is one of our trucks here. We have two other trucks running today. This is a couple of my dirt bikes and stuff back there. Mine and my son's back here. This is an airplane wing of an actual airplane. Was my desk, and I went ahead and took this all of the other office and had a regular desk. It's my trailer here, one of the trailers that gets used quite a bit. Look at this Jeep. I love this Jeep. This Jeep is amazing. Very clean. I love this bad boy. I only got about 200 miles on her this year. Had some fun. Brought the Craftsman over because the four-wheeler goes to the house and we swap them. In the springtime, that will go back so we can mow and we can pick up stuff. These are my babies. This is my Corvette, my Bentley. I only got probably 200 miles on each of them, maybe this year, maybe. This is a bunch of our yard signs here. throughout. Tons of yard signs up there. Doing some work on the boat, just polishing up this year. All that good stuff. So we just got a lot of stuff. This is my Marilyn Monroe wall. And so that definitely has changed quite a bit since the last time I've seen you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be jumping on here a little bit more this year, just checking in on business-wise. Now I love this part about my office. You come in and you can get in with a fingerprint. All right, you guys, until next time, I love you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Look at this view I get now. Love this view. Our office used to be over here. That's a 900 square foot right there where that box truck is. The 900 square foot of office and back bay space. So we've definitely changed quite a bit here and have a whole lot more room. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, talk with you guys, and encourage you guys this new year. You guys can accomplish anything you guys want to as long as you put your mind to it. We do window cleaning, gutter cleaning, air duct cleaning, parking lot striping. Well, what else do we do? Window cleaning, gutter cleaning, power washing, air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and parking lot striping. So we're killing it. We're doing a great job. We had record-breaking numbers this year, and it continues to go up. So we're super excited to see where this all goes. I love you guys. Until next time. See yous.